Happy Friday to all of you, my dear sisters and brothers. Welcome back to my Slow English podcast. Today, in this video, I will speak in English clearly and slowly so that you can understand my English properly. That's why I have taken this decision. As well as today in this video, I'm gonna share with you, if you want to speak in English like a native English teacher, what you have to do every single day. Many English learners, they don't know how we can speak in English like a native English teacher. Today I will clear this matter with my English learners. You will remember, English is not our mother tongue and Bengali is our mother tongue. That's why Bengali is so easy language for us. English is a foreign language. If we want to speak in English effortlessly, every day we have to practice English. I will give you three important methods. It will help you to speak in English like a native English teacher. First one is, you have to practice English every single day. Any circumstance, you have to practice. You will remember, there is no easy way to be a fluent speaker without practice. Whenever you will stay in your house or whenever you will stay in your field, you try to describe all things in English. For example, I'm standing in my field. Now I will work hard in my field. At the same time, I will speak in English. What you are thinking at present, what you are doing, you try to describe all things in English. It is number one and it is so essential for you. Number two, you try to speak in English with your friends. You try to speak with your native friends. You can speak with your siblings every single day. Then you can become good speaker very easily. If you don't practice English every day, you won't be able to make English video. That's why you can practice English every single day. Third, whenever you will stay in your office or whenever you will stay in your field, you try to learn at least 5 to 10 vocabulary. If you learn 10 vocabulary, you can make sentences with those vocabulary. Then you can speak in English effortlessly. You can speak in English eloquently. That's why every day you try to follow these three tips. I hope that someday you will be improve your speaking skills. Someday you will public speaker. If you practice English every single day, if you follow these three tips, I hope that English will be easy language for you. At present, I'm thinking English is not hard language for me, because at present I can describe all things in English. I know how to describe, how to make English video, how to practice English every single day. If I can speak in English effortlessly, why you can? Why you can't? You try to describe all things in English. If you follow me, I hope that one day you can speak in English like a native English teacher. So from today you can start your English journey. See you next time.